everyone, welcome back to English Language and Literature. If you are learning English and looking for easy to read books to improve your skills, you are in the right place. Today, I am recommending 3 amazing books that are perfect for A1, A2 level learners. These books are simple, fun, and will help you build your vocabulary and confidence. So let's get started. The first book is The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. This is a classic story about a young prince who travels from planet to planet, meeting interesting characters along the way. The language in simple English edition is easy to understand and the story is full of beautiful life lessons. Plus, the chapters are short so you won't feel overwhelmed. So the reasons why it is great for beginners, because it has simple sentences, common vocabulary and short chapters. Next, we are going to talk about The Elephant Man by Tim Vicary. This book is based on a true story. It's about a man named Joseph Merrick who had a rare condition that made him look different from others. Despite his struggles, he finds kindness in unexpected places. The Oxford Bookworms edition is designed for English learners, so the grammar and vocabulary are perfect for A1, A2 levels. Again, why it is great for beginners? Because it is short and engaging, it's a real life story, and it is perfect for improving your fluency. The last book that I'm going to recommend is Charlotte's Web by E.B. White. If you love heartwarming stories, you will love this one. Charlotte's Web is about a little pig named Wilbur and his friendship with a wise spider named Charlotte. The writing is simple yet beautiful, making it a great choice for beginner readers. Again, the story is simple, but there is rich storytelling, teaches useful everyday words, and it is a mix of short and long sentences for practice. So, those are my top 3 recommendations for A1, A2 English learners. Whether you like adventure, real life stories, or heartwarming friendships, there's something for everyone. Which one are you excited to read first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy reading!